Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the credit score you need for a SoFi loan. When you are looking to secure a personal loan through SoFi, understanding their credit score requirements is one of the most important steps in the application process. While SoFi does not publicly advertise a strict, absolute minimum cutoff number for eligibility, they heavily target borrowers who fall into the good to excellent credit categories. In practice, most applicants who successfully qualify for a SoFi personal loan have a FICO score starting in the high 600s, with a significant portion of approved borrowers holding scores well into the 700s and above. If your credit score falls into the good range, which is generally 670 or higher, you position yourself strongly for approval. However, having just the minimum score is only part of the picture. Lenders look closely at the entire financial profile. SoFi evaluates your employment status, your career history, and crucially, your monthly cash flow. They want to see that you earn a steady income and that your debt-to-income ratio is at a healthy level, meaning your existing monthly debts do not consume too much of your pre-tax earnings. If your score is on the lower end of the fair credit spectrum, getting approved becomes significantly harder, and even if you do clear the threshold, you may not secure the most competitive interest rates. Conversely, applicants with very good or exceptional credit scores unlock SoFi's lowest available annual percentage rates and have access to higher maximum loan amounts. Before you officially apply, SoFi allows you to check your rate using a soft credit pull. This process lets you see if you pre-qualify and what terms you might receive without harming your credit score. If your score needs work, taking steps to pay down existing revolving balances or clearing up inaccuracies on your credit report can significantly improve your odds before you submit a formal application. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.